Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Citrulline Malate. L-Citrulline Malate is a powerful supplement known for enhancing athletic performance and supporting cardiovascular health. It's a combination of the amino acid L-citrulline and malate, a salt of malic acid. This unique blend works by boosting nitric oxide production in your body, which in turn improves blood flow and delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your working muscles. This can lead to better endurance and reduced fatigue during your workouts. Beyond just boosting nitric oxide, L-Citrulline Malate offers several key benefits for your fitness journey. It's well regarded for significantly enhancing exercise performance, allowing you to push harder and longer. You'll likely experience reduced muscle fatigue, meaning less soreness and quicker bounce back. Improved blood flow also means better nutrient delivery to your muscles, which is crucial for growth and repair. Plus, it contributes to overall cardiovascular health, making it a versatile addition to your regimen. Getting the most out of L-Citrulline Malate depends on proper dosage and timing. For optimal exercise performance, a common recommendation is to take between 6 and 8 grams about 30 to 60 minutes before your workout. This timing allows the supplement to be absorbed and start working when you need it most. If you're using it for general cardiovascular health, a smaller dose of 3 to 5 grams daily can be effective. Always mix the powder thoroughly with water or your preferred drink. Before incorporating L-Citrulline Malate into your routine, there are a few important considerations. Always begin with a lower dose, perhaps 3 to 5 grams, to gauge your body's reaction and tolerance. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Remember to stay well hydrated, as this supports overall bodily functions and supplement efficacy. Store your L-Citrulline Malate in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.